Alright, fellow reefers, it's time for an update on how the Red Sea Peninsula cycle's coming along. We're about a month and a half into the cycle now, and as you can see, getting over the ugly phase of the cycle. Everything is coming along smoothly. The nitrates and stuff are still a little on the higher level. As you can see, the glass is still getting a nice coating of algae on it, even though I just scraped it yesterday. But everything else is pretty much coming along, and hopefully in no time I can put a few fish in. Now that we have an update on the tank, let's talk about what we'll be doing today to it. So for today's project, we're going to be installing some new Powerheads onto this peninsula. I decided to go with the Nero 5s by AI to change it up, as for years I've been using the MP40s and MP10s by Ecotech, but now that they stopped making the rebuild kit for the wet side, I'm kind of hesitant to go in with them again, just because I've gone through many wet sides over the years, and when they had the rebuild kit, it was easy and cheap to fix them. Now in order to fix now you can't even fix the wet sides, you just have to buy a new one, and they're pretty expensive every time they go. I like the fact that the whole unit sits inside the tank, so it should be quieter than the Ecotechs, and it looks like they push a wider band of flow, so we'll find out. So let's get to installing these things. Alright, we have the pumps hooked up and they are currently flowing. So next up is going to have to be to set up the app so I can control them a little better, but so far so good. They look nice and sleek inside the tank. They don't take up much room, as you can see, and they look like they're pushing a good amount of power through, and I don't even have them on the strongest setting yet. So I'm looking forward to seeing how these things do. Okay, now it's time to set up the app and connect it to the pumps. I had already downloaded the app, so we're gonna start the app. We want to add some Nero 5s, and as you can see, the new pumps automatically show up onto the app. So let's click on them, and next we'll call it living room tank. Then next was that easy. From here you can schedule how you want the pumps to flow throughout the day. You can start feed mode, you can have all on, all off, and play around with other aspects of the pump. So looks good so far. I'm excited to have these on the tank and see how they run.